G'day. In case you're wondering how we get this finish of nice and smooth and you can't see where we've been and it's just about ready for a chrome plate finish, this is finished in 80 grit. How we do this is it's shaped palm dolly slapper, which is a horse hoof file, and that's to bring up the low spots, and which of course I've now got all those out. We then go over to if we need to do some small minor spot repairs, so it'll be hammer on dolly to bring up the low spots there for like the pin dents. There's a sort of hammers that I use. The file that goes across and really draws up the low spots. I'll use a linisher or two to just dress over it with some 40 grit spinning at high revs. I'll then go back to the file and then I'll finish it with 80 grit on a hand file. And basically it's a lot of
a hell of a lot of this, and you really got to
put some effort into it, and that gives it the same file finish as you would get as if you were doing bog work. Just for the record, this would be the same file that you would use for body filler. So you can imagine pulling the steel, it's quite a task. Okay, so there's a little rust repair that I did down here, in here somewhere. I had to shape all of this. That was a section taken from another roof, but it was actually not quite the right shape, so I had to dress it up. There's still a flange that's got to get welded right along the bottom here, but for now we've got this to a metal finish stage, and over time I'll go over the whole roof like this, which takes time. Okay, thanks for watching.